How to fix Telegram theme not changing? Well, fixing Telegram themes that won't change or keep resetting often involves disabling automatic theme switching. Open up Telegram, go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to chat settings option here that you shall find, or if you are appearance option. So once you head into appearance, you want to see here various options, right? So you can see app icon, and here you can see chat themes. You can enable chat themes. So it's simple. You want to make sure that you want to find the night mode here. The automatic mode means the night mode. You want to make sure it is disabled so that whenever your night mode on the night, it is not turned off. Set it to disable, make sure it is disabled. And you can see auto night mode, it is system. You want to set it to disabled as I mentioned earlier. Now reset theme to default. If a theme is stuck, you want to open up Telegram, and on that same settings, you want to reset it to default and then try and switch to another one. Now if it is still you're having issues, head into settings. Clearing the cache will help you. If you're using Android, you can do it through system settings. If you're using iOS, head into data and storage, head into storage uses and clear the entire cache. Also reinstall the app if needed. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.